maximum and minimum relative of the function y is equal to x squared plus 16x plus 2. We are going to solve this using 5 steps. Now the first is step 1, find dy over dx or differentiate this function. So the function is y is equal to x squared plus 16x plus 2. Step 1 is to differentiate. If I differentiate this, I will get my dy over dx. And to differentiate this, I obtain 2x plus, to differentiate 16x, I will get 16. To differentiate 2, I will get 0. That is the first approach. Now step number 2, find the turning point or equate dy over dx to 0. So at turning point, dy over dx is equal to 0. That means 2x plus 16 will equal to 0. 2x plus 16 is equal to 0. And to make x the subject, 2x is equal to minus 16, where we can say that x is equal to minus 16 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 8. That is the second approach. Step number 3, find the 2y over the x squared. The 2y over the x squared. To find the 2y over the x squared, we have to differentiate this again. So that is, if I differentiate 2x, I'm going to have 2. If I differentiate 16, I obtain 0. So the 2y over the x squared is equal to 2. Now step number 4. This is the step where we can either determine if the function is increasing or decreasing. And that means we are meant to substitute this value into the 2y over the x squared. Now in this case, where the 2y over the x squared is a constant term, all what we have to establish is to replace the 2y over the x squared by this, which is minus 8. That is to say, at x equal to minus 8, the 2y over the x squared is equal to minus 8. Now we observe that the 2y over the x squared is equal to minus 8, and this minus 8 is less than 0. So let us consider these principles on the board. In these principles, we observe that maximum point is attained when the 2y over the x squared is less than 0. Therefore, at x equal to 8, minus 8 rather, at x equal to minus 8, maximum point is attained. So at this turning point, a maximum point is attained. Now up next is to determine the y coordinates on the board. So the y coordinates can be obtained by substituting minus 8 into the original function which was given to us. And in the function, we have y is equal to x raised to the power of 2 plus 16x plus 2. So if I put minus 8 into this, that will give us y is equal to minus 8 square plus 16 8 plus 2. Right? So y is equal to minus 8 raised to the power of 2 gives 64. This is minus 8, pardon. So minus 16 times 8 minus 128 plus 2. So y is equal to minus 64. So maximum value or maximum point or relative maximum point or local maximum point is given as, we have minus 8, comma, at y we have 64, which is the final result. If this video was helpful to you, click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and also share this video to your platform. Don't also forget to turn on your notifications so that you'll be the first to receive notification or updates when new video is posted in this platform. Thank you for watching.